Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. What's up, welcome back. In the previous tutorial, I explained how you can add indicators to your chart in Tradingview. And in this quick tutorial, I want to explain how you can save this as an indicator template. And what I mean by that is that you can save this setup. In this case, I have 4 indicators. I have the MACD over here. You can see the RSI. You can see the standard volume indicator, and I have also added one indicator, which is a 10-in-1 moving averages. In another video, I will go more in detail on this setup and different strategies that you can use. But for now, I only want to explain in this video how you can save these indicators as a template. And to do that, you need to go to this icon over here with the 4 squares. If you hover over it, you can see indicator templates. Only thing you have to do is you have to click on it with your right mouse button. Then over here you can see all the templates that you have set up earlier. So in my case, it's a whole lot. You can see I have a lot of different setups. But if you want to save this one as a new template, you just click on this option, Save Indicator Template. Click on it one time. Now you can enter a name for your template. So for example, I will call this template for tutorial. You can also tick this boxes over here if you want to remember the symbol and you want to remember the interval. So in this case, the symbol is BTC USD and the interval is 4 hours. But I don't select this. It doesn't matter. I want to apply this to any time frame and I'll just leave it empty. And I click on save like that. Now, if I click on this icon again with the 4 squares, indicator templates, if I click on it, now I can scroll down and you see that it has been added over here, template for tutorial. So if I select another template, for example, I have this, you see a whole lot of indicators are added to this view. But if I want to set it back to the indicator template that we have just saved, then I just go to this icon again, scroll down all the way to the name that you have entered for the template, click on it, and now it's back to this one again. So it's a very helpful function. You have a whole lot of different type of strategies to use with different kind of indicators. So therefore use this function, save indicator templates, and only add the indicators that you will need for a strategy to keep things as clean as possible. So then you have different templates for different strategies, and that will save you a lot of time in the future if you want to use certain indicators for your strategies. So then you have everything in place already. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.